Weather is very awesome in Himachal Pradesh. Right now I am in Hamirpur district near about NIT college. It's raining from last 2 days. Weather is a little bit dangerous. I am on Hamirpur Sujanpur highway. Roads are very dangerous right now. Landslides are happening everywhere, here and there. Due to this weather, traffic is low. People are scaring to go outside as it's raining continuously from last 2 days. But it's going really awesome. Weather is going a little bit colder and I'm feeling very good. Look around. It's peaceful over here. I'm backside of NIT Hamirpur. You can see the hostels. Lovely weather.